1, 2. Ito muna yan. Hindi kayo nag-practice sa ating laro na last time yan. Sila wala pang self-defense number. Foundation form number 1, ay number 2 kayo meron na. Sit down na yan, sit down. Sit down, sit down. Alam na rin kayo? Alam niyo na yung foundation form number 2? Ready? Again. 2. Turn, knife and block. Back stance. Mali yung turn mo. Change. Change tayo. Jersey. Change. Ready? 2. Knife and middle block. 1. 2. Okay, this time, from here, diba? Third, neck chop, reverse punch. Neck chop, reverse punch. Neck chop, reverse punch. Step forward. Okay,